This is my spinning colander. And then press down. This thing is dishwasher safe and such an amazing 2-in-1 tool that is just so fun to use.
If you're always forgetting your reading glasses when you're away from home, these thin optic glasses attached to your keychain fit comfortably on your nose and will mean not only will you look stylish, but you'll be able to see wherever you go. So is this something you need or don't?
This and thread a length of spaghetti through his fishing rod. Then when you think the pasta is cooked, unhook him from the saucepan and try the end of the line to make sure you've got it right.
Helicopter, helicopter.
This is the best way to clean your iPhone charging port. Tools 1, 2 and 3 remove dust, tissue and debris that stops your phone charging. Tools 4 and 5 clean your charging cable when you insert it, and tool 6 is a brush to keep your speakers, switches and microphone clear.
I've come for your pickle.
Last minute gift ideas from Amazon. This portable rechargeable blender is perfect for making smoothies, protein shakes, juices, and so much more. It's one of my favorite convenient on-the-go gadgets to take with you to the gym, work, or even school. It also comes with its own ice tray so you can crush ice and make your favorite mixed drink while you're at the beach or on a picnic.
If you place clothing in your car and it drags on the floor or easily falls down, this coat hanger attaches to the back of your headrest and allows you to neatly hang your shirts, jackets, and sweaters in the back.
Amazon Office Gadgets. This thing can double your productivity. You just stick it to the back of your laptop screen and attach this disc to your phone, and it will magnetically attach it to your laptop. It's great for FaceTime and social media, and when you've finished working, your phone easily comes away and it folds up neatly.
My new best friend in the shower. It holds my phone and keeps it from getting wet, so I can binge watch all my favorite shows and never miss an episode. It's a lot better than the Ziploc trick.
This is the world's most advanced blender that's perfect for smoothie lovers. It's cordless and portable, so you can take it anywhere, and to use it, you screw on the cap, place it on its base, and select your speed by touch or on its app. It's powerful enough to blend nuts and ice, and when you're done, just chuck the cup in the dishwasher and rinse the blades so you can go again.
This is literally the best thing you can buy on Amazon right now. You just throw your kernels in, slap some butter in the top, and then 2 minutes later, you literally have the best homemade popcorn. I use this every single day.
This deodorant is designed to go on your man parts to stop sweating, sticking, itching, chafing, and odor. It has over 1,000 reviews on Amazon. You just apply it as a lotion and wait for it to dry, so it's less messy than using a powder, but the best thing is, it makes your man parts smell amazing all day.
This is a portable washing machine that is ideal for apartment dwellers with a shared laundromat, students living in a dorm room, or like in our case, for RV or camping trips. It comes with a timer that allows you to wash your clothes for up to 15 minutes, and these clamps in the back that will hold the washer in place. All you need is a bucket with water and detergent, pop in your dirty clothes, and turn it on. If your bathroom mirror looks like this, these $16 lights could be a game changer. Just cut the strips, peel the cover, and you can apply the lights all the way around, turning any mirror into a Hollywood-style vanity. You can even dim the lights with a remote control, and the lights are waterproof as well. You can now drastically improve lighting for things such as makeup and shaving. So, is this something you need or don't?
Stuff on the internet you actually need. These food huggers make it so you can easily seal things that don't usually come with a lid, which is way more things than you think when you start to think about it. Plus, they're dishwasher safe, so that's pretty neat.
Anyone else a picky eater and hate when their food touches? This will keep your food safe in its place. Just suction them to the plate, and your food will now be perfectly separated. It also provides an edge to help push food onto the fork, and they hold strong so no food will pass through. You can take them wherever you go, and they're machine washable as well. So, is this something you need or don't?
Stuff you actually need, part 37. These are my pouring bag clips, and they are the most revolutionary way for you to seal all the food that you buy that comes in a bag. Now, anytime that you have an open bag like this, take the clip, open it wide open, and then just take that inside circle, put it in the hole, and then clip it shut. Now you're ready to pour anytime, and it keeps everything fresh. This person's probably a freaking million.
This is the world's first anti-gravity plant pot. To use it, just insert your plant in the pot and place the wooden base on a level surface and plug it in. Then gently lower the pot onto the base, and as if by magic, it will levitate 1 or 2 centimeters above it.
This is one of the smallest HD projectors on the market that you can take with you wherever you go. You can connect any device to it, including your phone, and it can play an entire movie with its built-in battery. I love it because I can watch movies on the wall, while on the toilet, and even on the ceiling. 3 gift ideas from Amazon. This digital alarm clock with an LED nightlight has fast wireless charging, 3 brightness modes, and you can even remove the clock from the base and take the light with you. This USB wireless Apple Watch charger is compact, comes in 4 different colors, and is perfect for travel. And this LED flame speaker can enhance the look of any room. It's super modern, rechargeable, and can play music from your phone or tablet from up to 30 feet away.